Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl called Thar, and if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're already part of this beautiful family, you're also welcome to another new video. Today's video gonna be, I am so excited about today's video. Today's video gonna be an unboxing video. Before we start unboxing this together, I'm going to tell you guys what actually brought about this package, why I have it right here. On Saturday or Friday, okay, let's just say last week, I got a message from my teacher, like all of us, that we have assignment to do, and also we have our course design to do. So if you don't know, I am civil engineering student dealing with road and bridges, right? So then I just want to do my assignment, right? I want to do my assignment and start with my course design. So my laptop started acting up. I don't know what happened. I don't know why I can't access it, and I really need it so much right now that I have to do my assignment and I have to start with my course design. So the thing I know about this laptop is that it can be used as a tablet. It's orange color. So this is what the inside looks like. Let's see. I have this. This is what is inside. Take that out. And it looks like this. So now let's see what's in this box. I'm so excited. So light. It's really light. It's really light. It's really light. I really love the way. Wow, look at how pretty it is. So now let's open it. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It's, I think, 14 inches. Yeah, the laptop came with this wireless mouse. I don't think I would ever use it, but yeah, it came with a mouse and the charger for the laptop. So guys, I don't really know much about laptop, but I only know that I can't use MacBook because I find it so difficult. Me personally, I find it so difficult to use MacBook, and it's so complicated. So I don't think I am a fan of MacBook laptops. So the thing I like about this laptop is it can be used as a tablet. Really light and easy to carry around. It can be, I can't wait to start using this laptop properly. It can be used as a lot of things for me. I can be able to carry it around to study, and also I can be able to use it for my editing. And this is what it's coming up. Oof. What? Yeah, it's saying welcome. Well, I really love it so much. Okay, let's just use it as a tablet for now. I think I'm just going to end this video right here because I can't wait to start digging in this pretty baby I have right here. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, share, comment, do all the good stuffs with this video and my previous videos. I'm going to catch you guys in my next video.
Meanwhile.